What is up, my beautiful people of Townsville? It's Julie Anastasia here. I am going to be going through my first shuffle tutorial / IGTV of the choreography that I created for my shuffle line dance little choreo that I did at CRSSD Festival. So many responses, so many positive things out of this. I just want to thank everybody who came to my first shuffle class and everybody who performed at CRSSD with me. Background on the choreography. What I was trying to do here from my Shuffle 101 / Intro to Shuffling class was teach the fundamentals of shuffling, which your core are definitely going to be your running man and your T-step. But then I also wanted to show what a rock is and add a little glide and a spin. And I put those all together to create this choreography. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and hop right into it. One thing that is super fun about this choreography that it is in the style of a line dance, so it loops and you can continue, keep doing the same 32 counts over and over again. I'm gonna break down how to make that happen in this tutorial. So thanks for watching, guys, and here we go. So, the first, catch my breath. So, it's 32 counts. Your first 8 counts are gonna be your running man. Your first 4 counts of your running man are gonna be soft, and then the last 4 are gonna be hard. And just to run through really quick on how to do a basic running man is in this choreography, you're gonna start on your right leg up at a 90-degree angle. And I said this in my class, and I guess it got a really good response. The way that I always see a running man and how you're supposed to perform it is flamenco, pizza slice. Make sure that that back heel is touching the ground and you're making a pizza slice with your legs, okay? And then when you slide back up into flamenco with your opposite leg, in this case with my left leg, slide back, okay? Flamenco, and down, pizza slice. And keep repeating that. So, flamenco, pizza slice. Flamenco, pizza. Flamenco, pizza. Flamenco, pizza. From there, on how I go from soft to hard. So with that, it's just like light little steps. Light little steps. Here. Okay? You, with your arms, you can kind of put them like this so that you're looking a little bit on the softer side. And then for that second 4 counts, what we're gonna do to make it look more like an aggressive running man is bring your left arm to your right leg, and when you go down, and up with that flamenco, and down, up, down. So you're gonna be stomping with this, okay? So how that goes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something else that can help you get a more aggressive running man is pretend that there's like an invisible line in front of you and like you're stomping on that. I'll do soft and then hard again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now from here, I go into your T-step. In this dance, we're only gonna go to the left. What I'm trying to emulate right here is this is the T. See that? That T-step. You're gonna put all of your weight on your right foot. You're shifting, scooting, heel toe, with your right foot, and your heel comes in, that's when you place down. Heel, down, heel, down, heel, down. So T-step, 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 T-step. And you're gonna do that for 4 counts for the choreography. I'll do it from the beginning. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna do 4 T-steps to the left. I'll do it again, but behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on that 8, when you transfer from your running man into your T-step, you don't fully land on it, you just kind of tap so that your weight still stays on your back foot, so you can go into your T-step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then we do your basic rock. There's many different ways to rock, but the way that we do it in this choreography, your rock is gonna go back with your left foot, front, side, front. And then you switch over your weight to your right foot, back, front, side, front, back, front, side, front, back, front, side, front. And what's important while you're doing this is to make sure that your shoulders are moving with you, kind of like in a half moon shape, okay? Or like my friend Joey said, like a windshield wiper. That's how you get the illusion of rocking, okay? Let me break this down again real quick. From behind, back, front, side, front, back, front, side, front, switch weight, back, front, side, front, switch weight, back, front, side, front, switch, back, front, side, front, switch, back, front, side, front, switch, back, front, side, front. One more time. Back, front, side, front, back, front, side, front, back, front, side, front, back, front, side, front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the third part of the choreography. I'm gonna tie that all back in together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go into the glide here on the 5, and we pop and drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we're at this point, you now have your running man, your T-step, and your rock down. Those are really the big, like, fundamentals of shuffling, specifically Melbourne shuffling. Okay, back on track. You're gonna pop after your rock. So once again, I'll start from the very beginning of the rock. I'll do it front ways first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And out of the camera I go. I'll try that again one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna do it again from the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's how that ties all together. How you're able to get into that glide after your rock, and your weight is gonna switch here, and you're gonna pop your left leg and give you the ability to drag your foot back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop, drag, come in for the spin, and back out. Drag, open, come back in, feet together, and back out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Try that again. Pop, drag, in, and back out. From the beginning of the rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this last little bop here, this is where you can show your personality and have a little bit more fun with it. We're gonna go from the glide, spin, out, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick out, and back on the 1 to restart the choreography. Show your personality here on the last 8 counts. This is where you can just kind of have some fun and groove with it and kind of take a break before we go into the next 32 counts in the next direction. Right leg, left arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're gonna take that weight that you have here, say kick, and put yourself in the next direction, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick, 5. So now I'm gonna do the whole thing over with counts a couple times in all 3 directions. And then from there I'll do it with music, and hopefully I explain everything as thoroughly as I can to make this as short of a video as possible. But I'll make a longer one too if it's necessary, just I need the feedback and I need to know what I can explain more and in more depth. So please leave a comment on all the things, let me know, because we're learning together here. Because I'm really excited to start this new teaching journey. It's the most fulfilling part, is to be able to teach people a beautiful dance that's changed my life so positively. So let's keep that shit going, okay? I'm gonna count this out. I'm gonna have fun with it. Yeah. Okay. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Does that work? Okay, now one more time with music. I just saw one of my neighbors look through the window. I'm like, hi. Okay, y'all ready? Thank you, everybody. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Please give me any feedback on what you'd like me to maybe make a separate tutorial on. I am aware that I didn't really get to explain appropriate rocking in here, and I do want to make an entire tutorial on the difference between rocking and traveling and a bunch of different things. But as for my first tutorial, this is the best way that I could break it all down for you. I have the fundamentals of shuffling built into here, which once again, running man, T-step, that is the cornerstone of shuffling. Get those down, practice. Once you have those down, this will all come very simply. I'm really happy on the response that this dance has gotten. I feel so fulfilled from this dance and the way that it's kind of caught online. And thank you to Sacha Robotti for being the dopest human and supporting shuffling and opening your set at cross with the song for us to perform to. That just felt so incredible and amazing. You rock, and so do all of you. Keep practicing. This is super fun. You can do it to literally anything. I personally love this song, but you can do it to house. So you can do it to techno. You can do it to trance. You can do it to anything, and I hope this really catches fire for people who maybe are already shuffling and want to just have some fun routine to do at festivals, or if you're a beginner shuffler, this is a great way to learn the fundamentals. I'll say that over and over again. It's like the fundamental shuffle. The fundamental shuffle. Did I just come up with the name for this? The fundamental shuffle. I think I just came up with the name for this shuffle. Instead of shuffle line dance, because it does, I'm calling it the shuffle line dance because you start and end in the same position as doing a line dance, so you just switch directions. Kind of like the Macarena, but whatever. And that little glide spin is very line dancey. But the fundamental shuffle, I think I vibe with it. Fundamental shuffle, okay. Love you guys. Keep practicing, keep it up. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me. And bye.